everything that CCAT is working on is demand driven. That's our number one thing. I am committed not to spend $1 unless the industry is telling us to do that. So when I talk about CCAT, I'm not talking about throughput of a lot of people. I'm talking about something where we're looking at a very interesting population of the state of Connecticut, ones that, again, are underserved, under-recognized in many ways. How do we now engage these people into our workforce? Because they haven't been. Mm-hmm. And a lot of what we have to do is look back and say...
I mean, we're talking about like formerly incarcerated
Could be incarcerated,
individuals.
could be in distressed communities. Mm-hmm. And we have now built an assessment tool. We can go in, understand these people, pull these populations of people out, go put them through assessment, and then some training, and getting them placed in careers, not just jobs.
Sure.
So we can do decent numbers, but CCAT isn't the whole solution. We want to be able to take what we do and be able to scale it up through partners around the state. But I am a firm believer that our workforce numbers won't improve without looking at populations that we typically have not gone after in a very, very novel way, let's just say.
Have you guys had success doing that?
We have. We've had a lot of success absolutely doing it.
Do you want to quote some numbers or tell me what you've done?
Well, I don't like to, again, I have to be careful with the number because I don't have them all.
Sure,
I have to be careful when I quote a number that it's perfect, it's really accurate, but we've had some very good successes with the large companies. And I know we have success because they're coming back for more. They've asked us to do it again. So to me, that's the most important thing, that we're doing it right. And the retention of the employees. So it's not just the ones that you end up placing, but are they there 6 months later?